Where do we go from here?
The chief mechanic's day had gotten much worse. "Do it, Skippy," Captain Bull urged. The crawler had crouched inside the garage bay, and the big outer door was sliding down. Maintenance team would be walking through the pressure door at the far end, and it was
to my own device. Many days fell away with nothing to show. These walls keep tumbling down in the city that we love. Gray clouds roll over the but if you close your eyes, does it almost mean nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost mean
Turn left on Edward Street.
This goes nuts. The music holding up.
Where's he going?
Fuck's sake!
You stupid fucking wanker.
They're not going in there now, even though it's not.
No.
The other paddock's not ploughed up where they are.
No. Oh, that's good trick.
Whoa.
Dude, you can't go straight from that way. No, don't fucking do that. Just wait. Fucking hell.
Twat!
No, you can fuck off, mate. You can fuck right off.
2 lanes to turn right onto Springbank Road.
Ooh.
That's a really good place to do a U-turn on a bloody bend and a...
Both in various versions. So that ends up, or close to maybe 1 million units. or so. And once again, it's not we're not looking at it as job security or anything like that. It takes a long time to actually properly house our, because anything that we digitize, we want to make sure that it's rehoused properly so that it doesn't have to be pulled again and again. And so we house it properly. Everything has to be cataloged so that we can give a unique file name with all sorts of.
The detectives.
Hey, we don't know this guy.
Yeah.
I think he might have been drinking. Hey, they're just kidding. Hey.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? One way, man.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
You don't need to move over, your lane continues. Your lane continues. What are you doing? You don't need to move over, your lane continues. Your lane continues. What are you doing?
Fucking idiot! Jesus Christ!
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Stop it!
Oh, move over!
Good one, dickhead. What a knob. You call that a wheelie? Pathetic.
Whoa. Whatever that was.
Video protected.
Oh, wow, look at that, Scotty.
Couple of weeks be fully, ladies and gentlemen, restocked with we literally won, a national design award for Interrobang. Interrobang is the one that comes in the big DVD case. And
What the fuck is that thing?
What's that, Daddy? Oh, that must be one of those new Japanese sports cars.
Weird looking car.